All right, here we are again. July the 1st, 2023. Adam and I are out here near east of Carstairs, northeast of Carstairs, to Carstairs and Didsbury. And there's a prediction of tornadoes today, potentially. So, first storm of the day. It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Could be a long July 1st, but this is a beauty. Look at the mezzo on that. That entire thing is spinning. And we're starting to see a hook now on radar, so let's keep watching. Okay, now we have a big funnel forming. Oh yeah, it's going down, baby. It's going down right where we saw. Oh wow. Wow, perfect. Perfect. Oh wow. Oh my God, the hail. One smack of hail there. Oh wow, Adam, that is beautiful. Wow. Wow, buddy. Woo-wee. Holy smokes. Okay, real tornado on the ground. Wow. Look at all that debris coming up too. And we're almost in the way here. Okay, what direction is it going?
How far do you think it is away?
It's getting closer. Three clicks. Sure. Okay, this is the best one yet. Best one I've seen yet. Wow, man. But Adam, look here over here on the right. See dust over here on the ground?
Yeah.
I'm concerned about that. Sometimes there'll be twin ones, right? Wow. Wow, man. We are just outside Carstairs, just to the northwest of it of Carstairs. I've been watching this for a while, and look at that. Wow, and we have to watch for a possible, watch for a second. Look at that rotation on the left too. Like, wow, man.
It seems like it's coming towards us.
Yeah, it does feel like it's coming towards us. Oh, Adam, see what I mean here on the right? This whole thing right here? This is like a second one. It could be two. This could be a twin one. Like if that does not surprise me if something touches down right there as well. That would not surprise me at all. Just as soon as it thinks it's dying off of it, it picks up steam again and picks up a bunch more dirt. That could definitely be doing damage. That's going to be that's not an F0, that one. Right?
It seems to be getting bigger and
That's because it's getting closer and closer, Adam. What are we moving, man? Oh my God, this is crazy. But watch to the right. I'm serious, man. Right there, watch over here as well, because that does not surprise me. We have another one. Wow, man. Wow. Holy smokes, check that. I can't believe it. Holy. Now that's moving to the right, but it's snaking around, right? It's not going just one direction. It's, wow. Like, it's not getting any weaker, it's getting wider. At the top, it's wider anyways. But it's that base. Oh, I see. Do you see any extra little vortexes at the bottom there?
other people seem to be.
Yeah, they are. Oh, and this could be another vortex right here on the left. Another funnel. If it touches down, it could rotate around that one. Wow, man. Hope the emergency services gets over there quick, because that's definitely causing damage. Holy. Like, I'd be worried if this farmhouse could be worried right here, right? Or the next one to the north of it. Wow, man. Definitely seeing some debris on the ground over there. Coming off. It's hard to stop shaking.
Everyone else is left.
Wow. Except that car over there. We can move a bit if you want, Adam. I'm okay with that. Want to move a little bit? I know. Do you want to move a little bit? Yeah, I know. This is going to be really freaking scary. If we stay here, it's going to pass close.
Let's go.
Okay, we'll see you quickly. Wow, she's been on the ground a long time, and now you can see it kicking up stuff. It's got a lot of power to it.
Is it coming our way?
It's going that way slowly. But you can see the damage.
We're still kind of good here.
It's got a lot of power to it. Holy cow. That is crazy. I phoned it into the 911 about 10 minutes ago when we first saw it come down. But it's got a lot bigger and stronger since then. Wow, feel that wind? That's the wind from a tornado blast. You wanted to feel it?
I think we should go.
What does that feel like? Oh my God, look at the power.
Good, man.
Yeah, it's going that way. It's those houses like right over there are in the biggest trouble. Wow! This is like nothing I've ever seen, man. And look at the speed of that. Speed and power.
We're the only ones left.
Yeah, everyone's moved a little further away. Anything else close to us? I don't see any other close. Holy cow. That's just the rear flank downdraft. Now you see on the bottom left, see that dust like down there to the left? That's called the ghost train. It can be 100 mile an hour wind sucking you along the ground over there. So you don't want to be anywhere near that. Okay, let's move it. Look at this, man. We're on this tornado. Wow, man. Okay. Holy, I can't even explain how crazy this is. That was our first stop. Woo-wee. Wow. Wow. There's going to be some serious damage up there. That's like, if I had to guess, I'm going to say like an F3 at least, right?
It's so wide.
A lot of speed. It's so wide. Look at the size of it. And we can go up there real quick here actually and start going behind it. We can start going up where they're going and follow behind it. Or stay to the south here through Carstairs.
On the side? I think
Yeah,
we should
through.
wait
Oh, it's gonna
now.
go across the highway real quick. Holy cow!
Ways for that, I think.
Whoa, it's not very far from the highway. Wow, man.
I'd love to get a picture of this. It's almost moving too
Wow,
fast.
man. This thing is so big. Look at the bottom of it, like dust wheel there. But... Jeez, that's at the backside. That's at the backside of a tornado field. Like, just the backside. Turn off, baby, done. Watch out for the road. Holy cow. That's over 6 miles an hour for sure. Move. I don't want to open the door. Hang on. Oh man, the back of my phone looks like crap. Okay, well, here we are on this farm that got hit by the tornado yesterday. Yeah, she's had a lot of volunteers here throughout the day, just picking up stuff from her farm. She lost some animals. Here's this proof that tornadoes don't care about valleys. This here is a valley it went through and snapped all these trees here, you can see. But there's debris everywhere. It's kind of sad at times. Found a piece of music somebody lost. Somebody lost a lot. Something to keep in mind when we're chasing tornadoes. Somebody's often losing a lot. Catch you later.